Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Today, our second lecture of computer class. I welcome to all in my computer class. Last time, we start our first lecture, our first chapter, that is uses of computer. So, we start where we left our chapter, but before that, we recall our previous chapter, that is computer uses. First is, what is computer? In earlier grades and in grade 1, 2 or 3, you just know a simple definition of computer, that is computer is an electronic machine, or computer is a machine, or computer is a smart machine. But now we see a brief introduction of computer, a brief definition, that is computer is a machine or device that performs processes, calculations and operations based on instructions provided by a software or a hardware program. Then we see in how many fields computers are used. Almost every field. We first see in homes, in schools, in filmmaking, in space technology, in offices, in libraries, and in medicine. Now, today we start from bank. In banks, computer used to maintain the records of account holders and information about every account and information about every record that any account holders have. So computer is used very widely in banks. Uh, Also outside the computer bank, you see a machine that called ATM where you go and deposit and where you from withdraw your cash. So computer is very useful in banks. So next is in designing. Designing involves in clothing, machines, and buildings. Architectures design buildings and houses on computer, and they use for that a software and that called CAD. And engineer use computers to design cars and machines and aeroplanes. So they use different type of software for that designing, and some dress designers are use computers for their dress designing and make new designs for people. So you can see how the computer use in design. After that, we have another field that is shops and hotels. In shops and hotels, you see when you purchase the things, um, you can see the shopkeeper use computer to make bills and prices of items. So computer used in shops to maintain and record the stocks and all prices and money. And in hotels, also computer used for maintaining bills and for reservations of room and all the stuff they have, they do on computer. In computer control cameras, uh, you see in picture here camera first picture you can see lot of cameras in different areas. In second picture you can see how you can control and manage and see the activities of different people in different areas. uh, Sometimes you see cameras openly in spaces where we have security set, or without security set is safe for everyone. Then they have installed cameras in their houses, offices, or anywhere like banks, hospitals, stores. to keep check on the activities of people. So it's also very useful, and doctors also use TV cameras for diagnosis the different kind of diseases of different patients. So it's also a very interesting field. Next is in reports. Reports like humans and a machine. It's like computer and computers made by humans, and reports also made by humans, where through computer we control the reports, and we can and they are doing different kind of work that are not easy to do for humans. So that places we use reports like underground waters and undersea. If there is any ship is sink, then we use different kind of reports to find the ships and different kind of minerals we find under the sea or any place on earth where uh, digging is difficult for humans, so we use the boat there. Even reports are inside the volcanoes, exploring other planets, and doctors are using reports for operations. It's a new invention, or you can say scientists are working on that. So day by day, our work going to easy or easier for everyone. We all depend on computers in every field now. The last one is railway stations and airlines and railway reservation offices. You can, when you want to reserve, want to go for reservation of any seats, or want to know about any information about any flight, or you see they use computers to give you any information. And in this slide you can also see different kind of computers used in different stations. People are easy to watch their uh, wanted information on screen. So also you can read on your book, page number 5. There they explain very well how the computer use our airline reservation or railway reservations. Um, so people book tickets from any town or any city. Even now you can book your seats or your tickets through online. Due to this COVID-19, everything going on online, and even you children are so use computer for your classes, so you can see the use of computer, how much important nowadays. Uh, I hope it's clear you uses of computer and in every field of life, how computer is used, and how computer is important in our life. Without computer, we are going so much back, and without computer our life is incomplete now. So we are all dependent in every field of computer. Computer is very important in every field. Every scientist or any doctor or any engineer or even simple art person also use computer in his or her life. So I hope it's clear your all queries. If you have any query, you can ask me. Inshallah, we will see in next class. We will come with a next excitement, or I hope you all enjoying the class. So uh, thank you to all of you. So I hope you learn more. Allah Hafiz.